Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to use auto dimension in SolidWorks drawing. Okay, just click in here, select the part, open the part, and here we have a part. We want to export this part to drawing in SolidWorks. Okay, just click here and click make drawing from part or assembly. For standard sheet size, for example, in here I set in A3 ISO and just click OK. In the right of menu, we can see a few in the part before we start or select a front plane. Left click and drag to this sheet, and if we drag our mouse in the top in here top view, and we can drag in the right view in his right view, and in the corner it is a corner isometric view like this. For isometric view, we can change font appearances or display style in here in set with edge like this. We can to adjust for position of our drawing like this, and it is okay. We just input our symbol part in this sheets in drawing, and we want to make auto dimension for this drawing. The way is simple. Just click smart dimension, and in here select auto dimension. Auto dimension is a feature that automatically places dimension on a part or drawing view instead of manually clicking every edge or circle. SolidWorks tries to add the main dimension for you. For example, I start from front view in here, start this edge, and you can adjust for dimension placement or above or view or below view, and you can dimension placement in here in right of you or left of you. Just click apply and automatically dimension like this. It is a right view. We can change in left view. Just click left of view, just click apply like this. It's simple, but in here we can see of many dimension necessary, and we can to adjust for dimension and just click OK. In here we can adjust for dimension like this, drag for dimension. It's so many dimension in here and necessary, and we can to adjust this, and this. Okay, in here I want to explain you about usefulness and benefit and negative or limitation. For usefulness or benefit in here is faster workflow. It saves time when you want to quickly place many dimension. Standard dimension it's usually give the most important size reference automatically, and in here as consistency help keep dimension aligned and neat. Good for draft. You can use auto dimension to create a best set, then adjust or delete unnecessary ones. For example, in here have a dimension. We can to hide. For example, this dimension. We can click hide. Again, left click, right click and click hide for dimension unnecessary. And for in here we can right and click hide for unnecessary. And for negative or limitation, it's too many dimensions. Sometimes it add extra or reduction dimension that are not needed like before. It's so many dimension not unnecessary, so we can do right click and click hide. And not always correct. It may miss important dimension for manufacturing or add in the wrong place. And it's messy drawing if the part is complex. All the dimensions can make the drawing crowded and hard to read like this. It's so many different. It's just simple part, but in here it's so many different. If we have a more complex part, it's the dimension it's so messy and the drawing is so messy. So I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it for to final your drawing or final two-dimension drawing. We can to apply again in here in the top. Just click smart dimension again and click all the dimension. For in just click and you can adjust in left and below, but I set in left and below and apply. Sorry, we can to change here just click this edge, this top view, and just click apply like this. Sorry. And just click OK. Yeah, we can see in here so many different, so many. It's so messy for layout like this. It's negative and limitation for auto dimension, but we can to adjust like this, and we can to hide unnecessary drawing like this. For example, we can hide this dimension, right click and click hide. And in here for right view, select again smart dimension and click auto dimension, and just click this edge. Click this edge. In here, just click this edge. And for in here, I set in right of view and click apply like this. Just click OK. You can see we can edit again in here for smart dimension, auto dimension. Click this edge, and for in here we can set in above. For apply, we can see again like this, but in here I set in below. Click OK. Click OK auto dimension, and in here it's still messy. We can to delete or hide this, hide again for this dimension, and hide for unnecessary like this, and hide. Okay, we can hide so many dimension in here. We can hide like this and this. Okay, it's how to use auto dimension in SolidWorks. It have usefulness and benefit, but it has two negative or limitation. Too many dimension and not always correct, and messy drawing, not suitable for final drawing. You still need to check, clean, and organize manually for professional or manufacturing use. In short, auto dimension is very good for speed and initial layout, but not good if you depend on it for final technical drawing. Always clean up and arrange dimension manually. Okay, I think that's enough how to use auto dimension in SolidWorks, and how benefits and limitation in SolidWorks. Okay, in my opinion. Thank you for watching until the end video. I apologize if there are any mistake of this material. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next tutorial.